Over the past 40 years, Interflon makes lubricants and cleaners that help companies to reduce their maintenance and energy costs, at the same time reducing downtime. Interflon operates in more than 50 countries, servicing over 135,000 clients in all kinds of industries. More than 400 experienced technical advisors worldwide work very closely on the floor with maintenance people as if they are part of their team in order to optimize machine performance. Our unique MICPOL technology, hands-on customer approach and R&D are distinctive. I have worked for Interflon now for 20 years and I can say I love my job. The company culture that feels like being part of a family and the close relationship with your customers give me great satisfaction. Working at Interflon is very dynamic. At Interflon you can develop yourself in many ways, based on your talents and ambitions. You have a lot of freedom and responsibility to perform your duties, which makes you feel being an entrepreneur. There is little to no hierarchy, we share knowledge and everyone is prepared to support each other if needed. At Interflon you have unlimited opportunities. When you work smart and hard, you can earn unlimited and realize your dreams. Your own initiatives and ideas shape your career. And we are growing fast. If you are inspiring growth, excellence and results, then working at Interflon is a unique opportunity for you. Please check our current vacancies worldwide. We are looking forward to receive your online application.
Interflon. Think forward.